Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm not sure if this is gonna go in a vlog or if I'm just going to upload this on its own. Today we're gonna be glowing up. So right now I look like this, which is great, but it's winter time. I want to, you know, be a little more tan. I want to look a little bit cuter. So today we're gonna be trying to glow up a little bit. I'm gonna be doing a lash lift and self tan, and we'll see if I need to do anything else. But for now, that's what I'm gonna be doing. So we're gonna start with the lash lift and see how we look before and how we look after. So this is my before. I have been wanting to get my lashes done for a while, but being someone who does lashes, it's kind of annoying to go get your lashes done, and it's really busy right now, so getting my lashes done isn't really ideal. So we're gonna just be getting a nice little tan and giving myself a boost of confidence with some nicer lashes. So I do have a lash lift kit. Okay, so the issue here is that I need to do one eye at a time because I'm doing it on myself. So this is gonna take a lot longer, which is kind of annoying, but whatever. So I'm gonna use this and see what happens. So what I wanna do is like stick it on my eye as close to the lash line as possible, so that I can lift these babes up. So I need to put this thing and stick it on my eyeball. I'm just taking the glue and I'm gonna rub it on here. And I have to stick it on my eye. Okay, so it's as close to the lash line as we're gonna get. So now what we have to do is we have to like take the glue again. Stick it on there. It's not easy to do on yourself, let me tell you. Okay, I'm going to fix this and I'll be back. These need to be like a little more spread out than they are right now. Step one complete. Now I have to apply the lotion or whatever. So I have the perming lotion. I'm gonna just take that and apply it. I'm going to apply this onto Lash. This is terrifying, but I figured while I'm waiting for this to happen, whatever it's supposed to be doing, perm, I'm going to self tan. Okay guys, so I have 5 more minutes until this is done. So I'm going to fake tan like my upper body and my face. The thing is, I can't fake tan my face yet because I'm doing this. So this is kind of a mess, but I have a client coming and I wanted to fake tan. Should I wait? Okay, fine, maybe I'll just fake tan now anyway. Got my fake tanner. I always use Bondi Sands Australian tan, and I just have like a little tank top thingy on. I'm gonna tan my arms, my chest, and my neck, and then later we will do my face once this is all completed, which probably I'll only be able to do one eye and then I'll have to do the other one after, because like I said, my client's gonna be coming. So here we go. It's also like probably the worst idea to do this while I literally can't see, but do you think that I would care? No, I'm not going to care. If it doesn't come out perfect, that's fine. My hands, it's already looking splotchy by the wrist. That's great. Other side. I feel like people used to fake tan so much and now it's just like not as big of a thing. But here I am. I've been looking at old pictures and I was so tan and it was real, now I'm not tan at all. It makes me sad. So here I am, fake tanning, so that I look a little more tan than what I look like every day. Problem with this, like I said before, is that I cannot see my face. So that's quite the ish, but it's gonna have to do. Also, like, the only good area to do videos up here is the back of my house. Even downstairs, I always do stuff at the back of my house because that's where the lighting is best. And my back neighbors probably, most likely, 100% think I'm insane. So that's good. And they definitely think I'm naked right now, but I'm not. So now I'm tan-ish. I still have to do more, but I'm pretty sure like this is almost done. So just trying to dry a little bit before I put my clothes on, but I will be back. I look like a psycho. I haven't done my face obviously because I have to wait. So you can see the difference already of what I look like. All right guys, so this is done. The timer went off. Oh, hello eyeball. Should probably keep that closed. So now we have to take off the pink stuff. Now it's time to put the blue stuff on. Okay, I'll be back because this is dangerous. I'm gonna put the blue stuff on off camera. BRB. Okay guys, so I have the blue stuff on. This is just like the leftover pink, but it's inside here. But I have the blue stuff on, and now I'm going to leave it on for another 10 minutes, and I'm just going to tan my stomach real quick. But you guys won't even be able to see that, so I'll just update you guys once I am nice and more tan than I am now. But yeah, I'm excited to tan my face. I want to be tan, so I mean, my arms are already tan, which makes me happy. So I'm just going to let this sit for 10 minutes. I need to start the timer. So once this is done, we will remove it, and then we put the nourishing cream on, and then we can switch to the other eye. So fingers crossed, we can get this done before my lash client comes. Let's go. I couldn't remember what the last thing I wanted to do was for my little glow up, and I knew it was this, get a tan, and what else was it? And then I looked in the mirror and I was like, duh. So I'm going to get my teeth whitening, and I will show you guys what I do for that. But yeah, let me just go grab that. I'll be right back. So I have my retainers here, and then I also have my syringe. This is the syringe from Smile Brilliant. You can get your custom trays, all that, and then you get your syringes, and you get a desensitizing gel. And the main thing is the two front teeth, because those are the teeth that are my own. The other two are not. So I'm just gonna put in the little front part there. And the tricky part here is that I didn't want to get my hands wet when I was grabbing my retainer because I have self-tanner on. So that was a little tricky, but I think I managed. And they also have a desensitizing gel, so I'll do that later tonight, which you guys won't see because it won't have any effect on my appearance. But I'm just going to put that and then put it in my mouth. Now I'm just gonna do the bottom, and the bottom is all mine, so I'm just gonna load that up in the bottom there. Okay, so I have my trays in, I have my eyelashes perming, or the one side at least, and I have my tan setting on my body. Sorry if I have a lisp now because this is in, but what I like to do is I'm just gonna wait. This can stay on for quite a while, so I'm gonna leave it on for a couple hours. When I do my lash client, I'm gonna do that, like, leave it in because it's just my friend, so it's not that big of a deal. But then later tonight when I go to bed, I wear my retainers to bed anyways, so I'm gonna put the desensitizing gel and then reinsert them. I will leave a link down below for Smile Brilliant if you wanna check them out. I definitely recommend. Perfect for teeth whitening, and especially if you want like custom trays and the gel as opposed to doing the white strips and throwing them out. So this is super easy and it works really well. So you guys will see afterwards what I look like, but I will update you soon because we're almost ready to take this off. Okay guys, timer is up. So okay, so the last step is just to apply the nourishing cream and leave it on for like 5 minutes. So we're gonna do that. I'm pretty sure this is just like an oil. There is one little piece at the front that's not going down. That's fine because it's at the very front. I feel like it won't really affect the look, hopefully. Now we wait 5 minutes. I'm not gonna cover it just because I feel like it's unnecessary. It's just a nourishing cream. I'm not gonna get it anywhere, so I will be back once this is done. We'll take it off. So at least I have this eye we can compare to like this eye and see what it looks like. Moment of truth. It's been however long. It's been 5 minutes. Now I have to take this nourishing cream and like get my lashes off from the glue, and then we will see if it worked. Okay, so there's just like some stuff on my actual eyelashes that I want to get off, and I'll be right back. But you can definitely see the difference already. Okay, you guys, look at the difference. Especially if you're doing it on myself, like on someone else, it could look even better. Like look at the difference between this eye and then what this eye looks like. Okay, so I have to do the other eye later, but I'm not going to do that on camera because it took a really long time and my lash client's on their way. So I'm going to have one permed eyelash and one not for now, which is perfectly fine with me. So I'm gonna finish that one up after, but I think it looks really good. I'm super happy. I wanna self-tan my face before she gets here so that I can let it sit the same amount of time as my body so that later when I wash it off, probably tomorrow when I wash it off because I can't get my lashes wet. So I've done a self-tanning routine before, so I'm just going to like put it on my face and then quickly do that before my lash client gets here. But pretty much I will link that video so you can see how I do my whole body. It's nothing too crazy, so you can kind of get the gist of it in there as well. And then I'll show you guys the results once I am nice and tan. My teeth are white and my lashes are lifted on both sides. Okay, we're about to do my face really quick before she gets here. This is bad. Okay, well, it automatically makes my teeth look whiter. So once this is dry, once I'm done lashes, I'll show you kind of like what I look like, and then I'm going to do my other eye later tonight, and then I will rinse it off tomorrow probably and show you like what I look like. Or I'll post it, insert a picture of what I look like. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna just end it here. I'll insert the picture of what I look like after all of this craziness. But yeah, that is kind of like how I glow up with my lashes, my self tanner, and my teeth whitening. So I just wanted to include that in here and show you guys a little bit of what I wanted to do today to make myself feel a little bit better about myself, look a little cuter. Probably not right now, but yeah, this is kind of like what I do every now and then when I feel like I need a boost. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos from me during this month, then definitely subscribe, turn the post notifications on, because unfortunately I'm not doing Vlogmas, but I am going to be doing 12 Days of Christmas. So that's coming up very soon, so get excited for that. We're gonna have 12 videos in a row leading up till Christmas. So yes, that is very exciting, but for now that is gonna be everything. So I hope you have an amazing day, week, month, or year. I love you, and remember to always be nice to people. Bye.